Dr. Mary LaFavor. I can see clearly now as the song goes. I am going to celebrate my new bionic vision at a trip to Iceland to see the aurora borealis clearly.
You gang went to see a cornea specialist in Ohio. He told me there's nothing that can be done for you. And I didn't accept that. Doing research, Dr. Gulani's name just kept popping up over and over. So I knew he was the one for me. Very happy.
My wife's ophthalmologist, and I should definitely come up here and see Dr. Gulani. I feel so fortunate to have found Dr. Gulani. He's really made a difference in my life.
I had a really bad eye infection. There's a couple of doctors who wanted to pop it out, so I was very lucky to get away from this doctor. You know, she wanted to take my eye out, put it with her other patients in a jar or something. Wow. So that was really scary.
This is, like the doctor said, you're just kind of a number. You're just kind of, okay, you know, you're just on a belt. Next person. There's no follow-up, no real care. And but with him, I mean, he cares, the staff cares. It's great. And like I said, that's why I decided to come back for the second eye.
My name is Tom Blades. I'm British. Went to eye clinics in Germany, in Switzerland, in Dubai, and in Spain. The same answer, you know, little can be done. You know, just live with it and try to optimize. Did my global research. The name Dr. Gulani kept coming up and up. And the more I looked into it, you know, the more I was fascinated.
Any doctor do not take my case, whole India and Boston area. But Dr. Gulani take my case. I am very happy. Dr. Gulani is a very superstar.
I'm a doctor from New York. Not too many doctors that can do what Dr. Gulani does. I'm super happy. I mean, he's the only one that I'm going to trust with my eyes.
Cabrera, aka as Mr. Bogota by Dr. Gulani. He wanted to pursue my career as a pilot. Was not in the range to pass my medical exam. And Dr. Gulani just gave me that hope. He saw what the other doctors, what the other people didn't see.
This guy can really perceive and see what is wrong, how to handle. I felt confidence. Knows what he's doing. He's one of a kind. Nani, come.
Eat, sleep, excited, peace. Oh my God.
Doctor is so dedicated. He is so dedicated to us.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh, the amount of time that he calls to see. Sarita, are you okay? Are you in pain? Everything is fine. He did so much for me and for all of us. So